náà rí pé kò séèyàn kankan lórí bọ́ọ̀sì, kò ní láti kún kó tó máa move. Ara ìdí tá a ṣe ń sọ fẹ́yìn ọmọ Yorùbá pé government ló kó wà in charge of transportation ní Nàìjíríà, but unfortunately ìlú yẹn ò ṣe country, right? Jẹ́ ń gbé lọ sí ìsàlẹ̀ kó tún rí ìsàlẹ̀, kò sí tó kan driver, kò driver ń gbowó oṣù, ṣòrí pé kò síyàn kankan nínú ẹ̀, ṣòrí bó ṣe empty, kí wọn náà rí driver ló ń gbé mi lọ yẹn. So tá a bá ń sọ fún yín pé lára ìdí tí country òun ni pé kí nǹkan ṣiṣẹ́, but unfortunately it doesn't work like that. The country burúkú dẹ̀ ń pé Nigeria, ṣé wọn náà rí ṣòrí pé kò sí ẹyẹ lórí bus. So that shows that bus driver yẹn, he gets paid regardless of how many passenger ló bá gbé, and this is the reason why tá a ṣe ń kọrin Yoruba country all the time. This is Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. 8:46 a.m. láàárọ̀, as àwọn ọmọ school olúkálùkù ti lọ sí school, ẹni tó ń lọ síbi iṣẹ́ má worry ibi iṣẹ́ múra báyìí, is because the weather is getting very cold here in London. This is the reason why we are saying that if you want the economy to drive, you don't hand over your transportation system to hoodlums and thugs like they've done in that contraction called Nigeria. My name again is Olami Koiki, as we continue to educate many Nigerians on the reason why we need to have our own independent sovereign nation. The time is now, and it has to be now before it is too late. We are Yorubas, we are not Nigerians, and we will continue to highlight that self-determination is a right, and that right to be respected by the international community. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.